Hello, how can I help you? Good, good. Hello, Mr. Carter. Yes, please proceed. Okay. I haven't used those. I have used AWS, however. Okay, correct. Well, it's actually mostly C and C++ is my main forte. Not a lot of folks use that because it's quite difficult and it's a lot of challenges involved in that. But you can highly specialize optimizations at that level. So not a lot of folks use that. They prefer to use simpler things, just like, for example, C Sharp, Java, Python, but it's not a problem. Um, Regardless, if I need, I can also use C, C++ in within Java and Python. There's plenty of ways to do that, so I can optimize just about anything to run circles around the competition, save the company money, use less servers, all that fun stuff. So now I haven't heard of those other two items. I haven't used the Elasticsearch. I've used AWS. The other item, now what was that again? Logstash, Kibana. Yeah, no, I'll have to look those up. So those are just utilities and libraries that I'm sure, for somebody of my level of experience, won't take me very long to figure out. So I would say let's proceed and see where things go. Finished. Correct. Yeah, they downsized the company at the beginning of 2023, so I've been there 15 years. Maybe about once a week. It's been picking up recently, but no takers yet. Still available. Still available. Yes. Yes. Okay. Excellent. Well, target is 156K per year, which is roughly 75 an hour. It's open. It's open though. Why does what is the LStack developer looking to pay? That's fine. That's fine. That's not so far out of my range. please do, because it's going to be it's going to be a needle in a haystack, and a lot of recruiters end up getting stuff in front of them that folks have no problem figuring out on the fly. It's literally only a week. Everything is very robust manuals, so most folks aren't going to find anybody unless it's the large products like Oracle, say for example, SQL Server, and things of brand names, big names in the industry. Oh, I messed up that. So I'm working on a Rubik's Cube at the same time that I'm on the call with you. Kind of have to parallel process things. Did a terrible solve on that one. I can do it in about 19 seconds, but it's terrible at this angle I have. I'm trying to use an actual timer instead of a stopwatch. So what happens is the angle that I'm actually holding the cube is different. So I keep getting lockups. It's incredibly difficult. That's what it is. It's a you slap the timer, and it stops. But all the blinking lights here, I have props spinning in front of me. I'm trying to put music, and it's just too many distractions. It's the angle that I'm holding it to. It's the biggest thing is the angle. So all my muscle memory is just keeps getting lockups. It's all out of whack. It's gonna take some months of calibration just to get used to this. And it has to be a table timer in order to do any sort of competition. Not stopwatch. It's not. Yeah. At any rate, yeah. It's the turnaround time is probably going to be, I don't know, a week of some sort before I'm useful to them, but it's not going to be that long. Plus, I'm sure they have a huge code base themselves that I'm going to have to get familiar with anyways. So, I mean, they will not even notice that they won't even notice any loss in anything if I'm not already immediately familiar with it. I mean, when I hear somebody wants somebody immediately familiar with it, makes me think they want to do one thing and then release the contract. It's like, you have a sole purpose. Come. Mm-hmm. And I'm a professional at automating anything, so I'm gonna be good in no matter what role that I'm in. All right, Frank. Oh, okay. Okay, perfect. Standing by. All right, Mr. Carter. Oh, sorry about that, folks, but, hunting for work, you're gonna get a lot of interruptions. That's unavoidable. I'm gonna keep streaming. Yeah, a lot of folks want niche technologies, so I'm gonna just come in and be a whiz at it already. I don't want to waste time on somebody who doesn't know it. They don't realize most things are pretty simple. Especially for somebody of my experience already, so that's not a problem. We just have to wait for somebody to lower their expectations, as opposed to looking for an idiot savant in the subject. Master of everything. Is master of none? Wait, hang on a second. Yeah, a master of everything is a master of nothing. Stick to the basics, C, C++. You can literally do anything from there. Master of that. Boom. Everything becomes simple. Don't have something, make it. Divide and conquer. Everything is figure-outable. Oh, and subscribe. I usually don't talk during these videos. It's meant to be background cubing sounds for others who are practicing. And so let's leave it at that. Master of everything is a master of nothing. OJT. On-job training. High volume, low latency. Oh, that's cutting it close. That is cutting it close. Really bad lockups on that one. Really bad lockups on that one. Not good. That is not good. Takes a little getting used to. Never use this timer. What? That's time. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you, thank you.